In the Apipheny add-on, saved requests are only available in the Google Sheet file they're saved. So, if you want to use your saved API requests in a different Google Sheet, Apipheny comes with a feature that lets you export and import your saved API settings from one Google Sheet to another. This feature exists so you and your team can reuse your custom API requests throughout separate Google Sheets. This way, you and your colleagues can use the same API requests without having to input them all manually for each new Google Sheet. To begin, open your Google Sheet that contains your saved requests. Click Add-ons, Apipheny, then Configure. This opens up the Configuration tab. Step 2. Copy the export code. In the Configuration tab, you should see a string of code inside a box called JSON Export. If you don't see anything inside the JSON Export box, that just means the Google Sheet doesn't contain any saved requests. You can open the Manage tab in Apipheny to confirm whether your Google Sheet has saved requests or not. This string of code represents your saved API requests. To import your saved requests, the destination sheet needs to process this data. Copy the entire string of code. Step 3. Paste the code into the destination sheet's JSON Import box. Open the sheet you want to transfer the saved requests to. In that sheet, open the Configuration tab and paste the export code you copied from the first sheet into the JSON Import box. You can also send the export code to a colleague so they can import your saved requests into their sheet. The saved requests will work just as well. Small warning though, if your saved API requests contain API keys or any other sensitive information, it will also be included in the export code, so be careful. To finish importing, click the Import JSON Configuration button. You should now see your saved requests in the Manage tab. And that's it. Congratulations, you now know how to transfer your saved API requests to different Google Sheets using Apipheny. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.